Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pop-up content in Google Slides in just a few minutes. This is a fantastic way to make your presentations more interactive and engaging. Whether you're looking to include extra details, create an interactive quiz, or simply make your slides stand out, using pop-up content can transform how your audience experiences your presentation. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, log in using your Google account credentials to access your saved presentations. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a list of your recent projects. You can open an existing presentation or start a brand new one by clicking blank presentation. Alternatively, you can choose from one of the available templates if you want a ready-made design to match your theme. When your presentation is opened, it's time to add the pop-up feature. Begin by selecting the text, shape, or image that you want your audience to click on to trigger the pop-up. After highlighting it, navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Insert menu. From the drop-down, select Link. This is the key element that will allow your pop-up to function. Now, a dialog box will appear asking where you want the link to go. You can link to an external website by pasting a URL, or you can link to another slide within your presentation. To create a pop-up-like effect, it's best to link to a separate slide that contains your additional content, such as an image, note, or extra explanation. Type in the slide number or title, then click Apply. Next, design your linked slide so that it looks like a pop-up window. You can resize the text boxes, add borders, or insert shapes to make it resemble a small overlay. If you want to make it more dynamic, add a back or close button on that slide and link it back to your main slide, completing the pop-up loop. Once everything is linked properly, switch to present mode and test it out. When you click the linked object, it should instantly take you to your pop-up slide, giving the effect of an interactive pop-up appearing on your presentation. Click your back button to return to the main slide smoothly. This approach is perfect for teachers, presenters, or professionals who want to add interactive layers without leaving Google Slides. It's especially useful for quizzes, hidden details, or clickable info boxes that make your presentation more engaging and organized. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add pop-up content in Google Slides. Experiment with different designs and links to make your slides even more creative and dynamic. With just a few tweaks, you can turn an ordinary presentation into an interactive experience your audience will remember. Happy presenting!